It is magnificent, beautiful Friday, August 16th. This is my last trade of the week on S&P 500 future. When I came to the trading room after the wave class, I took on the structure and it showed me very clearly what we call in the course danger zone dance. The long trend was overextended, so I simply monitored the structure for 45 minutes and I took a short. But I expect my short to find a support, as you could see very clearly. My guiding light showing me 1 hour chart. Know where decision point 1 is, the end of the minor trend. Price struggled on August 15th for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. ES struggled at the first target for 15 minutes. It finally blasted through to decision point 2 and found support as I called for third target, as we discussed in the wave class, 1 tick prior to danger zone levels. Adjusting my stop to break even, because I know that either bullish correction or bullish reversal will transpire at these levels. So let's see what the ES will do in the meantime. So ES is dancing at the danger zone on my 8 range chart, just like it dancing in a danger zone second day in a row. This is essential and critical to recognize when to stay out. I do expect buyers to show up at any moment. That's why I adjusted my stop to break even. So while we're babysitting this trade, let's review our results on S&P 500 future for this month, shall we? There we go. I must be frank, because you know my mantra not to trade in the month of August. So far we had taken in our trading room 12 trades to demonstrate alpha wave trader method. As you could see, based on results, those are not results you're witnessing throughout the last other months, because August is essential to devote to beautiful vacation time or to education time. So here it is, 80% success on ES, absolutely unacceptable as far as I'm concerned. But still, we've been monitoring very powerful volatility as ES had been reaching third target. So if you scale out accordingly, if you protect your profits and not exercise the greed, you're still in pretty good shape. But this is pretty clear indication. Take a look. What happens if you take vacation in August and December? December was still marvelous. August, crazy, jittery, wild, unpredictable, misbehaving. Here's oil. Oil had been absolute magic. Fun blast, blasting through danger zone, blasting through all the levels. But I highly recommend you reconsider everything you think in your life, because trading is unlike any other sport, any other business. If you know what you're doing less time you spend in front of the computer, much more powerful your results are. So on that note, let's see what the ES is doing currently when it reaches danger zone level. ES dances endlessly as expected. But wild and crazy Friday ain't finding no buyers at the moment. But as you could see, my short trend is finding support. That's why exactly I named this level danger zone. These are alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci levels, where my trade is finding the exhaustion and my guiding light 1 hour short trend is tired as well. And as expected, it fell on Friday. So let's review other charts. Oil. As I have been spelling out for days and weeks now, I expect oil to make it to 108.40. But this is how critical danger zone levels are. If you're acquiring trend position without powerful retracement anywhere near these levels, ouch. No danger zone levels, no decision point 1. Play by the rules, and the skies are the limit. But only you, and only you, know how to play by the rules. So what will ES do? Let's give ES a few more minutes. And let's remember that the skies are the limit if you are disciplined and prudent trader. But in the meantime, let's review the structure on oil weekly. Why am I so convinced that the sellers will show up with vengeance? All the levels designed on oil in the month of May. Price is blasting between these two levels this entire week. And as you could see, very clear correlation between weekly chart and my guiding light 1 hour as spelled out. Nowhere danger zone level is. Much smaller time frame is telling you exactly the same that price spelled out in the month of May. What is ES weekly telling us? ES weekly reminding us when long trend reaches danger zone, expect a pullback, which ES exactly had done in the month of May. And this is where ES is dancing currently. But the short structure currently is finding support. As you could see, 1650 level drawn in June 2011 is exactly where ES is struggling at. Danger zone on my guiding light 1 hour. And that's the magic of the puzzle called pure price action. Nothing is random in this life, not even price. So if you play by the rules, if you trade Monday through Thursday, if you exercise patience and discipline and obey Alpha Wave Trader 4 clear and simple rules, the sky's the limit. But you're in charge of your destiny, you're in charge of your trading. Only you can do that. Next class starts Monday. Adios everybody. We'll review this trade on Monday. My stop at break even. My trade is finding support 1 tick prior, as expected. That's how critical danger zone levels are. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody.